Good morning. We're so happy that you're here. We daily vlog. So if you like this video, we hope you'll come back tomorrow. I had every intention of vlogging on our way home from Jewel, but it is so windy outside and I had diapers piled on the double stroller on one side, Teddy in the carrier, James in the stroller, 2 bags of groceries, wipes on top of that, and the walk home was, if anybody saw me, they would have been like, wow, I feel sorry for that chick. But we made it. Everything's inside. I did get me and James cheersing. Do you want that microphone so bad? I think I got me and James cheersing cake pops. So James is snacking on that. And Jewel has $5 sushi on Thursdays. So I got myself a little veggie sushi situation. Happy Thursday. If you want some never, just let me know. Alrighty, me and James are just feeling really snacky today. Also, the plant-based Baby Bell isn't as bad when you eat it with crackers. We've got buffalo almonds, some yogurt, honey, granola, and blueberries. Everybody's awake and everybody's off of work.
Yay.
How are you?
It was a doozy of a day.
Right?
I didn't even have a break. Alright, things are getting even more official with the move back to Orlando. You guys know the plan is to basically coexist between the two cities. But with us moving at the time of the year we aren't doing our first longer stay in Chicago until the fall.
Yeah.
But we want to be back for
Memorial Day, kickball.
Memorial,
the anniversary of my mom passing away.
Our annual kickball game, and the anniversary of Sarah's mom passing away. So we're gonna fly in just for a week to Chicago. So we just booked all those flights. So we already know when we're gonna be back in Chicago for a week before our long stay in the fall. You hungry? Want some pasta? We made pasta and pizza bread on this fake Friday because there's no more work for the week for us as a fam. But we got lots to do tonight, Teddy.
We do. These noodles are from Trader Joe's. I don't know why I just didn't make the whole thing. Actually, they probably wouldn't have fit. And then this is the sauce, Calabrian chili spicy pasta sauce. And then I've had a hankering for pizza bread, so that's what we got on the side.
Hi! Sometimes you just gotta bust out the Frank Sinatra.
Tasty pheasants, Christmas presents.
Ba, 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 ba. Alright guys, I don't think it's gonna be a problem, but something kind of silly was how we ordered those President's Day sales things and we had them delivered here. Well, the mattress we have getting delivered to the townhome in Florida because it takes so many weeks. But the chairs came today for our patio and they are big boxes, and the dresser came, at least it's all broken in boxes and everything, so they're not huge, but they are big, and the dresser is heavy. And it's also where do we put we're not gonna open it up and use it in our home here, but we got dresser, chair, little table, little dresser side table. So we're just starting to collect boxes in our home.
Alrighty, so like we said, we are getting stuff done around the house so that I'm set up for success while Peter's gone for the weekend, because I'll be here with the kids by myself. And we don't have a ton of laundry to put away, but just enough to feel good if it's done. So gotta fold that, get this hung up, put that stuff away. So I'm going to just lock myself in our room and get that done as fast as we can before baths start. And I'm listening to Taylor Swift. I am going to the Taylor Swift concert in Tampa in April, and Chelsea and Kristen are some of the biggest Taylor Swift fans that I know. And I'm going with them and a bunch of other people, and I just I know Taylor Swift, but I want to really enjoy it with them. I don't want to feel like an imposter in their group. So from now until then, I'm going to be listening to Taylor Swift and to prepare. And then I'm hopeful that, like, once she starts touring, I'll see the set list and I'll be able to even, like, really study. And I know she always does some different things and unique things, so who knows how accurate that would be. That's the plan, and I'm excited. I haven't seen Taylor Swift since me and Chelsea went. I'll throw in some throwback pictures here. We saw her in Tampa on our Disney College program in 2011. It was Speak Now, was the album out at the time, and we had floor seats, and it was not the chaos it was today. So our 19-year-old selves drove to Tampa and saw her, and it was lovely. So I'm excited to get to go again with her and everybody else. But I'm gonna study up. Alrighty, he's all packed up. Baby, where's Peter going? He's going to Texas. Don't you worry, we're staying here. Me and the boys and you holding down the fort. Sarah, what are you doing this weekend, you might ask? Tomorrow we are just hanging out at home. The boys are like, don't have the icky sickiness going on, but I want to give it just a little bit more time. Just a solid day at home. We have a couple of viewings this weekend, so we're going to want to be here. But Saturday, our nephews and their mom Angela are coming over, so that'll be fun. And then Sunday, we're gonna go to Christina's, and then Peter gets in Sunday night, and he's flying into Midway, which is on the south side, so it'll be closer for me to be at Christina's. So a low-key weekend, but we're gonna see the family, and yeah, we're gonna make it fun. Look at this guy. Is there something on your jacket? Doing a little fashion show. He's got a formal night.
Yeah, we got
He
a
looks
ceremony.
sweet.
How's this look?
Great.
Shoeless?
I love your tie. I don't know if you've ever showed this tie.
It's a map of Chicago.
Yep. There's my phone.
I have my Mickey Mouse watch on. I'm gonna look at my tie clips. I don't think I have any Disney tie clips because my one Disney tie clip broke. Mm-hmm. So I'm gonna be repping Chicago Marathon, Run Disney, all at the same time for the awards night. And it's like the color schemes are, what did I say, silver, black,
Red.
white, red.
Yeah.
So got a little bit of silver going on, a little bit of black,
Yeah.
a little bit of Chicago, a little bit of Disney.
Great.
I don't think there's going to be a DJ and dance floor, but I always want a DJ and dance floor. It's an award ceremony in there, so definitely won't be a DJ and dance floor.
Glow sticks. There was
But
glow sticks at the one ACS dinner.
I can go to the local Walgreens. I'm assuming there's a local Walgreens in America.
Corner of Happy and Healthy.
Corner of Happy and Healthy. Get some glowies. That's what you call them in the streets of Chicago.
Ma'am?
Glowies. And bring my dog. Go to my hotel room. Have a ranger. Like The Office.
Disneyville Podcast. Yes, we are your hosts, of course. Jessica
We're gonna
Braun,
watch
Tyler Braun. Sorry.
Disneyville before we go to bed.
I like it, so it's like
Considering we have to get up in 4 hours and 50 minutes, we should have gone to bed 37 minutes ago, but we stayed up to watch the first episode of Disneyville Podcast.
Sorry, I'm setting my alarm real quick so I don't forget.
Which is
Jessica and Tyler Braun. They have their own YouTube channels, but they're a married couple, and now they're going to do this podcast. We watched it in like the video form, but oh my gosh, how it just got us so excited.
Yeah, it got us really pumped to be moving back. Mm-hmm. And we were like, oh my God, just imagine like Sunday mornings all hot and sunny and sweaty at Disney Springs and like watching Friendship Fair on Tuesday with James being like, oh, hi. Like,
well, I also think what's cool about this is, so like the first episode was top 10 things to do at Magic Kingdom. I feel like when like Disney YouTube first came out, like a lot of people did like sit down videos that were like ranking food and all of that sort of thing. And I feel like there's just seasons of YouTube of like
it's
vlogger,
coming back.
like like vacation vlogger, like local vlogger, like there's like informational like I feel like there's just been so many different seasons. Oh gosh.
Teddy might be waking up.
But like this like brings me back to like those like OG like Disney YouTube channel days, and it just got so excited. And like I don't know, it's just people who get you.
Teddy's awake.
Alrighty, well, let's sign off.
good to be home.
It's good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.